Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coffee face scrub to remove dead cells, dirt and excess oil from your face. It's quite easy to make with just 3 ingredients. So let me show you. Let's get started. Having a cup of coffee in the morning is like a ritual for most of us, and why shouldn't it be? After all, moderation consumption of coffee has many health benefits to offer, and if you love coffee way too much, you'll be glad to know that coffee has certain skin benefits too. Here are 8 skin benefits of using a coffee scrub. If you have dry, flaky skin, using coconut oil instead of your regular moisturizer may soften and hydrate your skin, leaving it looking refreshed and soft upon waking. Coffee grounds do not dissolve in water, which makes them good at scrubbing away dead skin cells. Caffeic acid, an antioxidant, may boost collagen levels and reduce the premature aging of cells. Sugar, it helps in hydrating your skin by drawing moisture from the environment and preserving it in your skin cells. It penetrates the skin cells and leaves you looking fresh and rejuvenated. So that's it. This is my super easy face scrub. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.